basically the gaming helps the students to understand themselves, right? So their what is that called, their personal, their ability, right? And they also easy with gaming they can also understand the others, that is the other people who are surrounding him, and with that also he can also understand the physical world around them. Okay, so these are the something. Okay, now anyway, we'll have some gaming tools that you can we can start using in our classroom in regular basis. Okay, so some few of the gaming tools which we can use in our classroom are, well, let's say Kahoot, Nearpod, Padlet, Classkick, Recap. Among these, few are free tools are there, and few are licensed tools are there. So anyway, this today we'll have we'll discuss few of these tools. Mainly we will focus on Kahoot, right? So the Kahoot is actually a free free tool that is open source tool for anybody. You can download it and we can use in our day-to-day classroom works, right? Compared to other, suppose Nearpod also free version is there, again licensed version is there, but free version will have limited features like that, Padlet also. This Recap is free, Classkick. These are the, some. You'll have other tools also like Socrative, other Flickers, Classcraft, Quizcart. Like these are the few interactive games which we can use in our classrooms, right? We'll see Kahoot basically today, right? So Kahoot is a gaming based assessment tools. This allows us to monitor our students learning, and we can use that information collected in real time to adjust our teaching. Suppose, let's say, actually this is an assessment tool. Actually this is game based learning environment. So here with this it is actually a win-to-win for teacher as well as student. Suppose if you see, generally assessment gives us a window into students understanding of the concepts they are being taught at both the class and individual level, so that we as teachers can adjust our instruction to meet their needs. So what is this basically? So actually Kahoot is a game-based learning platform. So where students will, this is basically assessment tool. So where students can answer few of the questions which will posed by the faculty in the classroom. Okay, suppose at the end of the class, or at the end of the class, suppose after at the end of the class before 5 minutes, means suppose our class is from 10 to 11, then I'll start my Kahoot session. Kahoot is tool, means I'll start this test at the last 5 minutes of my class, right? So I'll start my test. Then students will answer those tests with their mobiles or laptops or their whatever that mobile devices, right? So based on their answers, the faculty can assess them. So how much they learned in this particular class. Okay. So based on that feedback, the faculty can improve his teaching, right? So at what level he is teaching, and what is the means how many students got his means how many students understand his class, and how many students are not getting this class, right? So based on that feedback he can improve, means how much fast he can teach, how much, means at what so based on the individual level, right? So suppose let's say we have 50 students, suppose 40 of the students got better grade, then you can think that 10% students are slow, so that I can adjust my teaching. Okay, so this is a tool for that one. Yeah, so Kahoot, actually we can, this is a play, learn, and means we can also play this one in team mode also. Actually, Kahoot is a game-based learning platform. This is free for teachers as well as students, right? And yeah, what I said, at the end of the class, I can create my own Kahoot. Okay, so Kahoot, create a fun learning game in minutes. Kahoot is a game which we can create in minutes. So this is we call it as Kahoot. Yeah, this Kahoot may be a quiz or jumble or a discussion or a survey. So somebody can ask. So we have a lot of tools for assessment like Google Docs or suppose what is that? We'll have this Moodle quiz, all those things. But this is the difference at the end. We'll discuss the difference. So how this makes the fun to the students as well as faculty. Okay, with Google Doc and this Moodle, what is Moodle quiz or Moodle assignment. So there is there is no fun actually. That is not so. Generally, why students will like these generally students will like the game based learning, right? Game based learning. Suppose simply in the regular classes, if we teach means the text or some whatever without this no activities or simply regular classes. So students may not be what we can say, they are simply they will listen to the class and they will means forgot the things whatever. Simply at the end at the time of exams they will open the books and they will what they will do, they will they will prepare for the exam and they will write the exam. But the learning is not there, right? Simply they will mug up the these topics and they will write the exam, but they will not learn actually, right? They will not practice. But here there is some fun is there, means there is some it is like a game, so that they can learn more and that will be remembered for a long time, right? So now we'll see. Yeah, so generally it is a series of multiple choice questions. The format and number of questions and means the number of questions are entirely up to us, means we can have 10 questions. Suppose if we want to conduct this exam, this assessment at the end of the class for 5 minutes, we can have 5 questions or 10 questions, okay? Or we want to conduct this assessment at the end of the chapter, we can have 20 questions or 30 questions based on the time, right? So that there is no limit for this. So this we can use for assessing means we can use at the end of the class or end of the chapter. Okay, that is up to us. Yeah, so the beauty of this one is we can add videos or images or diagrams to our questions like Google Docs or Moodle quiz, right? So one more advantage with this one is that this we can also play as means like groups, teams. Okay, this is Kahoot is you can the students can play as individual as well as a groups. Okay, group of 3 or 4 or 10, whatever it may be, right? Right. And one more important, one more beauty of this one is the students answer the questions on their own devices. Okay, on their own devices. Let's say each student will have their mobiles or their tab or their computer or laptop, right? Their own system, right? A laptop or tab or desktop or mobile they can use. Okay, Android or iOS mobile, whatever it may be, a smart mobile. And the games are displayed on a shared screen, means that what is that called? That questions as well as the results will be displayed over a shared screen on the classroom. Let's say a blackboard, our projector screen. So there will be a screen which will be visible to all the students. Okay, let's say at the place of the board. Okay, but the students will answer the questions or play this game using their mobiles or desktops or laptops or their tabs, right? So the answers will be visible means the results as well as the questions will be visible to the students using a shared screen. Okay, the next beauty of this one is students have to tick off the right answer as quickly as possible. For every right answer they score points. If the answer is correct and the student was very fast to answer, this is like our Kaun Banega Karodpati. If they answer the question very quickly, they will get more points, more score points. If they will answer slowly, if a student answer take the answer slowly, then he'll lose his points. Okay, so the beauty of this one is the student gets more point than a slow student. Okay, if the answer is correct and the student was very fast to answer, that student gets more points. Okay, suppose if somebody this also enables means suppose the next student to suppose a fast student is there, he will answer very quickly. Somebody may copy his answer, right, by seeing or by asking him, maybe his friend. Okay, so anyway, he'll get less marks than this particular student. Yeah, so Kahoot is so much fun. It is not only fun for students, it's also fun for teachers. It's easy to use and it gives you a nice overview of your students' answers. Okay, that charts, that analysis is also very beautiful. Means the faculty can easily see, suppose for a particular question, how many students answered that particular question, how many students was wrongly answered. Means suppose let's say for individual questions or individual level also, for a particular a student answered how many students and what questions. Okay, how much percentage of students answered a particular question. Okay, some analysis like that we'll see at the end, so that you can see what questions still cause problems. Means suppose let's say a question is not answered by the majority of the students, so that the faculty can easily understand that that concept is not clear to the students. Okay, so and which students don't quite understand the lesson material. Okay, these are the some advantages, right? Students also love it because they don't really need to type the answer. This is one of the important feature of Kahoot. Students don't really need to type the answer. They just have to tap the engaging colors on their screen. Okay, so students will get the options on their screen with some colors and some what is that called images, not images, you can call them as some some symbols. Okay, like triangle, circle, square kind of thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, yeah.
All the participants mute their audios. Kindly please mute.
Yeah, it's okay, ma'am. Yeah. So these are the last. One more advantage of this one is that faculty can create his own Kahoot, or you can also search. Already there exists a database of Kahoots. Okay, so pre-existed Kahoots are there. Millions of Kahoots are there in that app or this tool. Let's say suppose related to computer science, related to electronics, related to civil engineering, related to some other area, biology or science, what is that called, history. So in every field you'll have millions of existing Kahoots are there. We can directly search for those Kahoots related to our topic, and we can give that Kahoot means we can play that, we can give that as a game to the students in our class, or we can create our own Kahoot, right? So what are the main features? Actually, students have to play with their mobile or with their own mobile or laptop or desktop or tab, but the results as well as the statistics will be displayed over a shared screen in the class. Okay, so this is a live game actually, or this is one feature. Then the second one is a fast students always get highest score than a slower student, right? Then the third one is the faculty can easily analyze the results so that he can adjust his teaching, right? The next one is it is simply for no need to type the answer, because it will take some time actually. Even the students know the answer, but if his typing skills are not good, then he may also get less score. Okay, he or she may also get less score. So here we have an option that simply he can click on the symbol. Okay, right symbol, right? And one more beauty is that already there exist millions of Kahoots. We can directly search for that Kahoot, and we can give as an assignment to the students. Okay, right. So what I said in the first this bullet, this is the first point is what is that? Right. This is a live game. Actually, we can also have a Kahoot as a homework assignment. Okay, we can also have like a homework assignment, means we can set some time like our Moodle quiz. We can also set some time. Suppose all the students must answer the quiz by tomorrow 12 p.m. Okay, so like that the faculty can also give as an assignment. Okay, now we'll see one by one how to play Kahoot as a live classroom game, and how we can give as an homework assignment, or how we can play this Kahoot as in team mode, all those things, right? Right, this one. Make homework, we can give as a homework also. Choose a Kahoot, assign it as a challenge, and share the link or pin with your students. Right, so this is the reference actually for this one. So first, what we need to do is, all of you please copy this, type this, this kahoot.com on your browser. Simply, all of you, this is simply Kahoot or kahoot.com. Suppose if you have a smart mobile, you can download it directly from Google Play Store. Just download it, please. Just take 5 minutes. We'll take 5 minutes for this. What is that? Installation of this Kahoot app or tool in your mobile, right? So go to Play Store and download, search for Kahoot and download it. Kahoot, right? Yeah, this is the first step. Kahoot.com. Then first we need to sign up. This is free. Yeah, then it will ask you for choose your account type. Yeah, just you open your mobiles. I'll use my, what is this called? I'll use my laptop. Just you use your mobiles to download it, and I'll let you know how to create a Kahoot, and how we can give this one as a classroom assessment. Okay, and how we can make this one as a homework assignment, right? Yeah, so for me, as I'm a teacher, just choose your account type. I'm a teacher, but for teachers and students it is not at all a matter. You can choose one of these role. Yeah, describe your workplace. Yeah, school, higher education, school administration, business order, higher education for us. Yeah, sign up with your email. Yeah, this is some password. Or you can continue with your Gmail. If you have if you opened your Gmail account, then you can, right, no problem. Continue with Gmail. Just click on continue with Gmail. Yeah, it will ask you for some information. School name NIT India. Save and continue. Right. So you just download it from Play Store, right? Then it will ask you for this registration process. Once you registered, then you can see there are few of the icons here. You can see Kahoot, Home, and mainly in this one, your mobile, there will be an option called Create. There will be an option called Create. Or you'll have another option called Kahoots. See, these are the pre-existed Kahoots. You can see here. Sorry, this is my Kahoots. Already I created some of the no, not now. Right, sorry. Discover. You can have this pre-existed Kahoots in this Discover. Yeah, find me a Kahoot about, suppose, for computer science students, or based on what is that called, specific subject related to operating system. Yeah. Right. See, some Kahoots are already there. If you see operating systems. These are the few Kahoots already created by somebody and made them as public. Okay. So these are the few of the Kahoots already there. Suppose operating system concepts. Operating system concepts. Yeah, OS chapter 13, IO systems, file management. I think computer science faculty can easily observe this. Suppose, let's say I'll take this IO systems. See, here there are 10 questions. Here there are 10 questions. Right. See, for each question, if you observe, for the first question, a module that implements a unified kernel interface for a specific device is called, the given time for this to answer is 60 seconds. Suppose if a student answer very fastly, the first student answered fastly will get highest points. The next student will get the next point. Next means less points than the first student. So like that, but the student can answer up to 60 seconds. Means he can take the maximum time up to 60 seconds. Right. Suppose now simply you can play directly. Yeah. See, here there are two options here. Suppose I'll go back once. See, here you can have two options here. We can edit. A faculty can edit few of the questions. Okay. Here already there are 10 questions are there, right? Okay. So I can edit few of the questions. Suppose by clicking here, or directly I can give this Kahoot to the students. right? Suppose if I give this one as play, here there are two options: play a live game together with learners over videos or in class. So this is live classroom, or like an assignment, assign a challenge game to learners who play it at their own place. Means they can go home, means I can assign this as a challenge. Okay, I can give it as an home assignment, so students can answer this, attempt this quiz at the home, right? But I will specify some time, the faculty will specify some time before some time, suppose tomorrow or day after tomorrow, 30th, 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. Okay, so like that I can assign, or I can we can play it as a live game. Okay, suppose let's say simply now just I'll will play a live game. Just see it, we'll play a live game. Right, so what we are doing here, we are playing in a live mode, right? Player one to one, right? Classic. Get ready to join. So you do one thing, all of you, just open, yeah, this is the game pin, this is the game pin. You need to enter after downloading your sorry, after downloading your this tool, you need to enter this game pin 4550153. Okay, there is an option at the bottom of your screen, enter pin. Okay, you just enter this one. Suppose if the faculty who are having this, you are using this laptop or desktop, you just open kahoot.it, kahoot.it, just enter it, kahoot.it. The faculty who are using the laptop or desktop, okay, just open kahoot.it, and you just enter this pin 4550153. So just see here, if we are using laptop, you can just use kahoot.it. You just type kahoot.it, and it will ask you for a game pin. What is the game pin? Or I myself assigned as a teacher, I assigned you a, means I assigned you a Kahoot, right? So what is the game pin? What is the pin for that? This is the pin 4550153. So you just enter 4550153 here. Okay, just click on enter. Then it will ask you a nickname. Your network is slow, so you might experience delays. Okay, your nickname, something. Okay, go. You are in, see your nickname on screen. See who, I think you are able to see my screen, right? So these are the students. Let's say these are the, now let's say you are faculty, but let's say you are students now. So here Bittu, Sagar, PBL, Sita, Avike, Manasa, they already into the game. Okay, yeah, please use this pin 4550153 in your if you are using your mobile. Then at the end of, after opening your after your means if you open your Kahoot app, then at the bottom of that screen you will have an option called enter pin. Or if you are using your laptop or desktop, simply type kahoot.it. Then it will ask you for enter the game pin. Just you enter this game pin, then you will be in this game. Yeah, only 8 students. 8. I think here more than 81 participants are there. Yeah, 9. I'll explain one more time. Suppose if you are using the laptop, simply just type kahoot.it, kahoot.it. Then it will ask you for a game pin. Just you enter this pin. Yeah, please make it fast. Only 9 students. Only 9. Yeah, anyway, no problem. We'll start with these 9 students. Then we'll create our own quiz. That time, all of you need to do this, means play this game. Right now, means we'll start the game. Yeah, 10. Experiencing low bandwidth for website access. Yeah, if you can use simply this one in mobile also. Open your browser, then type kahoot.it. In mobile also it will work. But if you have this tool as a mobile application, then it is very easy. Yeah, okay. So I'll start the game. Just see this how this will work. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Then it will be first. The first question will be. This is the first question. One of 10. One of 10. First question of the 10. Yeah. So this is the question. A module that implements a unified kernel interface for a specific device is called. These are the 4 answers. You see, host controller, device driver, deadlock avoidance, algorithm. Right? Yeah. Now you need to. You have on your screen. The symbols will be displayed. Host controller means this triangle, diamond, square as well as circle. You can click one of these. See, suppose if I enter this game pin, sorry, it is not possible for me now. Yeah, please, on your screen, this diamond, this triangle, diamond, and circle and square will be displayed. If this is for the correct answers, let's say if the correct answer is host controller, you need to click on triangle. Yeah, time up. So I think 10 students answered. So the right answer is, yeah, this is the right answer, device driver. So 6 students answered correctly, right? So 4 students, that is wrong answer, and answered the option as host controller. And 6 students answered as device driver, which is the correct one. And 0 students answered deadlock avoidance, 0 students answered algorithm. Yeah. So now the faculty can go for the second question. Right. This is like our Kaun Banega Karodpati or our Nagarjuna's. What is that? Kotishwarudu in Telugu. Something. Milo Evaru Kotishwarudu. Something. Right. See, that is like suppose if you see the scoreboard, DJ, the student got 843, Manasa got 825, Sita got 812, AVK got 801, Mohan got. So these are the top 5 students who answered very fastly, right? So DJ answered very fastly, then Manasa, Sita, AVK, Mohan, right? The next question. Yeah, second question, which bus is used in laptops with x64 architecture? Yeah, 56 seconds left, 55, 54. So we have options PCI, USB, PCI Express, many different buses. Okay. Sorry, the nickname is taken. Okay. Yeah, let's say the correct answer is this one. Yeah. See, right. So the answer, correct answer is many different buses. Which bus is used in laptops with x64 architecture? Many different buses. See, the correct answer is this. Means this is the answer said by the faculty. It may not be correct answer, but we don't know. Means for correct answer, the faculty can select the correct answer. We'll see how to create our own quiz later. Right. The next one is the scoreboard. If you see, Sagar answered very fastly for this. So he got 888, right? 843, 825, like that. What does memory mapped IO mean? Is the third question. Here the timer is running here, timer, right? Memory mapped IO, specific memory regions are mapped to device registers. I think this is the correct answer. So I can also answer for this, right? Genius machine. Right, the 8 students answered correctly. I think only computer science faculty, I think, means are playing this game. Okay, so the next out of 10 students, Sagar, again, Avike is came to the top because this will take average actually. Means the first question, second question, third question. At the end, we'll have all the statistics, no problem. Here, Manasa at the fifth stage, but sorry, fifth place. Okay, suppose next question, we can also skip some of the questions. See, we'll skip some of the questions because we need to have our we need to have our. I think skip. So anyway, I'll skip these questions because now we'll see how we can create our own quiz. Yeah, last question. Yeah, just answer this question. How can we improve IO operation performance? Reduce number of context switches, reduce frequency of interrupts, implement some algorithms in hardware, all these things and more. Let's say my answer is, 6 students answered, 7 students answered, 8 answers. Yeah, all these things and more is the answer, I think. Only 8 students. Okay, skip. Yeah, only 8 students answered. See, if you observe here, end game, here option is there, or we can click on next. OS chapter 13, IO systems. See, Manasa, third place, DJ, second place, and first place, I think, Avike. Okay, like this, we'll have some fun in the class. Okay, we can take the pre-existed quizzes and we can conduct the class. Now we'll see. Yeah, we can also download all these as difficult questions. One, which bus is used in laptops with x64 architecture? See, show answers. 8% correct, because this is a typical question. Means I can understand that the faculty can understand that this particular topic is means not the students not able to follow the faculty. Okay, so the faculty can repeat this particular topic. So like that, we can make some analysis. Yeah, here, get feedback, play new game. We have other options here. view full report. Suppose if I click on view full report, have you stopped sharing your screen? Check that you have stopped sharing your screen before viewing performance in front of players. No, see, means in front of, no problem. Yeah, here if you see reports, practice makes perfect, play again. Players 12, questions 10, time 12 minutes. See, these are the difficult questions 1, because this is a difficult question. Bit 2, 0%, some PBL, so 0%, didn't finish 12, bit 2, 10. So yeah, these are the students who are not answered actually. I also not answered, registered with 2 accounts. Right. So yeah, players 12, questions 10, time 12. Yeah. Right. The summary, feedback. We have all the, we have the report. We can also generate it as right. What is this, man? Right. Okay. First, we'll see how to create our own what is this called, own quiz. See, questions 10, if you observe, 50%, a module that implements inverted, 50% people answered correctly. Second question, 8% people answered correctly, 67%, 0%, because actually we skipped these questions. And the last question was answered by 42% students. Okay, correctly, right? So this is, we have expanded view, we have compact view, means we can also download the statistics as an Excel file also. See here, yeah. See, lot of things we will have here. Okay, anyway, these are you can explore later. Now we'll see how to create our own quiz. Just click on create. Yeah, see here we have the option called see here we have the option called create. Again, if you see your mobiles, means if you open your this Kahoot in mobile, in the bottom you can have a option called create plus. You just click there. Yeah, new Kahoot. Yeah, here a lot of options are there. Teach with slides, create and teach interactive lessons. Some pre-exist templates are there. Yeah, we'll see how to create our new Kahoot. Yeah, enter Kahoot title. Suppose let's say my class is related to general science or general some okay, some Kahoot. Not week, history or science, general science. Right. So here you can have some description. See here you can also put some image related to your theme, this particular topic. Suppose operating system. In the previous this one, see something is there, right? Some OS. See operating system concepts. See you can have this type of pictures. You can means download it and you can put in some folder and you can drag and drop here. Here. Okay, suppose let's say I'll upload some image from, I think I have some images in my e folder. I'll check. I don't know what is this image. Some image. Yeah. So this description, in the description field you can have, yeah, my photo is there, no problem, some photo. Yeah, you can type some description regarding this particular topic, right? So what exactly this and what resources you need to read before attempting this particular quiz. Suppose if this is an assignment, if this is a homework, okay, you can type some assignment, optional material, optional description here. So you can save this one to some folder. Suppose let's say I created a folder my cahoots. So or you can change this one. It means you can create a folder or it means where you need to save this. Suppose let's say my see suppose choose suppose yeah, what happened to this? Branding. Okay, we'll see that. Yeah, language English. Some if you want to upload some video, you can give that link also. Right. Yeah. See my draft. Save to my draft. We can also have. We can change the settings later. Right. So add a question. Type your question here. Click to start typing your question here. Yeah, here you have options to some math tools also, but you explore these things later. Now we'll see. Suppose some general questions related to, let's say, IPL 2019 winner. Okay, dragon. Suppose you can also means who is the means which team? IPL 2019 winner team. Yeah. So time limit you can set here, right? So suppose time limits 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, up to 240 means 4 minutes you can give. Okay. Let's say I'm giving here some 20 seconds because we need to finish it in quickly. Right. So answer points. Suppose here 1000 points are there. You can also increase the points. Suppose for the person who answered very quickly, you'll get 2000 points. Right. Then who answered means after 15 seconds, he'll get very low points. Right. Single select, drag and drop image from your computer related to this particular question. Add answer one. Add answer one. Suppose let's say Sunrisers. Actually, I don't know the correct answer. I think Mumbai Indians. Mumbai Indians. RCB. Right. Last one is Kolkata. KNR. Kolkata Knight Riders. Right. Let's say the correct answer. The faculty can choose. Means the faculty has to select the right answer because the students answered that one correct answer only. Then they will get the points. Right. So there is an option to select this one. Suppose if this is selected, then Mumbai Indians. I selected this one as the correct answer. Right? Okay, then done. See here you have other options also, import slides, import spreadsheet, question bank. You can also import the questions from the question bank, all those things. Yeah, done. Right. Okay. Next, suppose add a next question. Add question. Please. Sorry, it was a little bit wrong. Right. Second question. Add the second question. Suppose let's say Prime Minister of India. Current Prime Minister of India. Yeah, 20 seconds again. Suppose 2000 points I am giving. You can drag and drop image from your computer related to our Prime Minister. Okay, means if Suppose the answer 1, see, for these answers also add image as answer alternative. Suppose let's say this is Narendra Modi photo, here you can add Manmohan Singh's photo, here you can add, see here, Sonia Gandhi, here you can add other person's photo, right? This may be text or photo, means image you can add. Manmohan Singh, right? Modi. Suppose the third option is, let's say, Chandrababu Naidu, no? CB. Rahul Gandhi, not Rahul Gandhi, right? Then the last one is KCR. Right. So suppose what is the correct answer for this? I know, means the faculty has to choose this, right? So the correct answer is Modi. Right. Then once you see, once you click the done, that means a particular Kahoot will be means that quiz will be means what is that called? We can I created one Kahoot, means with 2 questions only. Let's say here, if you observe, these are my quizzes already there. General science, social quiz, unit 1. Let's say this is general science, right? Created by Ilaya K with 2 questions. Okay. Now I can give this to the students as a means like a live game, or I can edit. Okay. Now itself I can edit. Right. Suppose edit means, suppose if you want to edit the first question or second question, or you can add more questions. Okay. Suppose if you want to add more questions, add question again, quiz, or we have multiple options there, true or false, or multiple choice, sorry, short answer, something are there. Right. Suppose the next question, what is the next question? We'll have capital of India. Like this, you can add questions. Suppose here the times, suppose for this question, I think not needed 20 seconds. So I'm giving only 5 seconds. Okay. And 2000 points. Yeah. Shall we add an image to this? No problem. You can directly drop and drag an image here, but it will take time. Bangalore, something. Mumbai. Right. The correct answer is, let's say, suppose if I give Hyderabad, then if you answer correct also, you'll get. If you answer Delhi, then you'll get 0 points, right? So the faculty should be very careful while selecting the right answer. So once you done with the quiz, means once you created the quiz, you need to click on done, right? So done. Yeah. See, you have here multiple options here. The Kahoot is ready to be played. You can now host, share, and play it. Here are some other some more suggestions. Test this Kahoot, means I can test this Kahoot whether it is working or not. Play now. I can directly assign to the students in a classroom, or I can share it with others. Okay, like homework. Okay, there are 3 options. Right. If you click on done, yeah. See, play. So edit we saw already. Now, if I click on play, see again as a assignment or as a live classroom assignment, live classroom game. Okay, play a live game together with learners over video or in class. Assign a challenge game to learners who play it at their own place. Right. Now, let's say what we'll see. Okay, we'll see first how to play it as a live classroom. Again, same. It will create a game pin. Again, here 2 options: 1-to-1 or team mode, team versus team. Okay, so we can suppose group the 20 students or 60 students in a class into 15 groups, okay, or 20 groups, whatever it possible. Yeah, play games with up to 50 players, means 50 teams may be there, or maximum of 50 players are there. Yeah, get ready to join game pin. Yeah, here game, it will generate a game pin. Now again, you just open kahoot.it in your laptops or desktops. If you have mobile, just use your enter pin option. Yeah, this is the pin here, waiting for players. 8153312. 8153312. Just enter this pin in your kahoot.it. Enter this pin in your app. Yeah, again here three players are there. Yeah, please enter this pin. Only three. Four. Kahoot.it. Sorry. Only four. Yeah, 79. Seven. కొన్ని వాటర్ దేవరా. Yeah, only 9. Yeah, please enter this pin. Enter this pin so that you will be into the game. Ten. Yeah. Okay, only 10 players are there, no problem. Now we'll see. Right. So 12. Yeah, they game pin 8153312. Please enter this game pin. Okay, you'll start the game. Right. So start click on start. This is related to general science. Yeah, game is starting. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, double points means 2000 points you get. IPL 2019 winner team. So 16 seconds left. 15 seconds, 14 seconds. Right. Right. So Mumbai Indians is the right answer. So 9 people answered correctly out of 12. Sorry, 14. 9 plus 3, 12 plus 2, 14. Out of 14, 9 people answered correctly. Okay. Right. And the correct answer is Mumbai Indians in blue color. Right. So click on next. Right. These are the grades. These are the grade points for each students who are in top 5. Okay. So Shamik answered very fastly. So got 1610 out of 2000. Right. Next, for the next question. Second question. Current Prime Minister of India. I think Manmohan Singh. So 9 answers, 10 answers, 13 seconds left. 11 answers. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See, 12 people answered correctly, right? Okay, then if you next we need to click on next. I think Shamik is the top in the top. So out of 4,000, got 3,456 points. Right. Next question. Capital of India. So all answered. I think I given only 10 seconds for this. So 9 people answered as Delhi, right? So if I click on next, see, we'll have SS in the third position, AVK in the second position, and who is this? Shamik. See, some sort of means this thing is there, right? Daily classroom with teaching lot of concepts. It will create some boring to the students, right? Suppose for a month or after the completion of a chapter, we can have a type of like we are following this one, right? Blended learning, flipped classroom, all those things. So a variety, right? Like that, we can also have this type of fun in our classroom, so that students will participate more actively in the classroom, right? Next, so if I we click on this one, yeah, view full report. Okay, so this is already we saw for the previous example. See, means difficult questions, no difficult questions here. Great job. No one found any questions too challenging, right? So well played, 66% correct. Players 15, questions 3, time 7 minutes. Right. Okay. Then individual questions, players, summary. Because if you take players, there are 15 players, Shamik, AVK. So final scores are there. So here Raj Narayana unanswered one question, and the means final score is there. Ranks are there, right? I think we will have we can also download the Excel sheet, but here I am unable to find that. It will be there somewhere. You can explore this. Questions 3. Yeah, expanded view, compact view, compact view. Feedback, no feedback. Somewhere we'll have it. Just see later, please. You can download this one into Excel sheet as an Excel file, and we can means we can forward to the students if they want, right? Right. Now we'll see one more option of this. How to see how to give this one as an assignment. See, just click on play. Go to My Kahoots, means whichever the faculty created. This one will be in the folder Kahoots. Then click on play. Yeah, here you can give it as an assignment. See, earlier we played. We means given this one as a live classroom assessment. Now we can give an assignment, means as a homework. See, players should complete it before. See, today is 28th, so here it is given some default time. Saturday 31st October, 12 p.m. Question timer on, randomized answer order off. Nickname, see, means these are required or not. Nickname generator, if you see, it is asking for nickname, right? At the start of the this quiz, right? We can off this. Yeah, player limit 50, upgrade to increase limit. If you want, you can purchase the actually long back, 1 year back, I used this. That time it was free, but I think this one also now they make it as means licensed. Now they are charging, I think, upgrade to increase limit. Okay. Challenge: students complete a game at their own pace, viewing questions and answers on their device, perfect for reviewing material and in class learning stations, right? Suppose create. Anyway, we are giving 3 days time, right? So create. It will generate a pin. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah. Invite players by sharing the URL or game pin. Players can join this challenge up until the deadline. See, here this is the link. See, if you see, this is the link. You can share the link to the students using their WhatsApp or mail or what, group mail or whatever it may be. Or you can change the you can share the game pin also, like previously we played, right? So they need to open kahoot.it and they can enter this game pin, or directly if they click on this link they can directly go to the URL, means they can play the game, right? So invite more players, invite players by sharing the URL or game pin. So this is the URL and this is the game pin, right? So this is the way. Now you can play it. Suppose now directly go to kahoot.it and enter this pin 0. I think it is not visible to you. Enter this pin, game pin. You can play that game, and if you submit it, I can the faculty can check that check that result. Okay, this is actually the Kahoot. I think we have team mode also, but with we can't means because here now in the online mode we cannot play it as team mode, because in classroom means suppose if 10 students are there, let's say we want to divide it into 5 groups, we require 5 mobiles or 5 laptops, whatever it may be, 5 devices. Okay, so a team will need to use only one device to answer that quiz. Okay, so like that means we can play this Kahoot in team mode also, right? Yeah. So mainly where this Kahoot is helpful, so to at the end of the class, the faculty can test the ability of the students, means how much they got this particular topic. Okay, so where the faculty can improve the particular, means where the faculty can more concentrate, faculty can concentrate more on a particular topic, right? So like this way, this will help the students in understanding and learning their classroom topics, right? So yeah, any more doubts, please? Any doubts? Actually, maybe a lot of doubts, because as this is online mode and This is, I think, what is this? This is hands-on session, right? I think many of the faculty may not be able to follow this. Okay, no problem. If you have any doubts, just please text here. Yeah, any doubts, please?
Any doubts from the participants? Sir was asking.
Okay, then multiple answers with grade points. No, sir, we are already using Kahoot. Okay, okay, good. You can also use Socrative. That is also very good. Actually, means for student understanding is very means student understanding is important, right? For faculty satisfaction, because whatever we teach in the class, if no one yeah, just download it. You just practice it, ma'am and sirs. It will be helpful because at the end of the class, not at the end of the class, because it will be boring to the students also if you use daily. But per semester, you can use this for 4 times or 3 times. Okay. Yeah, can negative mark be set for any wrong answer? No, 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 that is not there, sir. Because this is to improve the students' learning process. Okay, but if there are negative marks, some student may not even, they may not open their mouth, like they may not answer a few questions. Okay. That's why, based on their confidence, suppose if he is more confident, he will answer very quickly. Okay, but if his confidence levels are low, then he will take more time.
Quizlet and Google Classroom all are also similar, no, sir?
Okay, ma'am, then I think Deepa madam, right?
Okay, am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible?
Shall we stop, ma'am?
Am I audible?
Yes, Deepa madam, you are audible.
1 second, sir. Yeah, okay. I don't know if I was audible. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. Thanks for a wonderful session. Thank you.
You prefer among quizzes and
Among
Kahoot,
quizzes and
you
Kahoot,
prefer?
which
Yeah,
one will
good
you
question.
prefer?
Yeah, means this is this is for some fun, right? In quizzes, suppose if we have LMS like Moodle quiz, that is simply like assignment, or this one also. Which one? This Google Docs, or suppose if you are using that type of things, we can use them for assignments, but not for live classroom means assessment. Correct? We have that one, we have Moodle quiz and other things, but we can use them as homework, means homework assignment. but not like our live classroom assessment, right? So this is the beauty actually with the Kahoot. Yeah, little bit similar. Yeah, they are also similar, but they'll have some different set of features. Socrates will have different set of features. Quizlet will have some Google Classroom. Some many of you know. Plickers will be there. It is also very beautiful. These are actually these for assessment. Yeah, you can use for assessment only. Somebody may ask how this may be useful for learning. Actually, from the beginning, we discussed. We means I said assessment, assessment, assessment. But see, suppose the student can open this Kahoot for multiple times. The student can open this particular quiz for multiple times. Suppose if you say this one as a challenge I given, right, as a homework I given, right, so he can open for multiple times, and that score will be visible to him. Okay, but the faculty may choose the result for the first attempt. Suppose for the first attempt he may got 0 score, because he may not be means he may got very low score. But if he play for the second time, means he particular person, a particular student may improve, means he may read the material, he can answer the question later. Okay, so that by practicing means multiple times this quiz, okay, at the third or fourth attempt he or she may be able to answer the means this challenge or quiz perfectly. Okay, that's why means by practicing this particular means we are giving some time, right? So he or she may play for many times, but faculty will have the option to take the result for the first attempt or average of the all attempts or the last attempt. So this option will be there. You can see that. You can explore it.
Any other questions from the participants?
Right. Yeah. Any more questions?
Okay, sir. No more questions. Thank you, sir. Thanks for an interesting session. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. What is this Google form, ma'am?
So that is regarding attendance, sir. Attendance and feedback.
Okay.
For this session, the participants will be filling it. That is for participants, sir.
Good.
So all the participants are requested to fill the Google form for attendance and feedback. We'll meet in the next session around 2:30. Thank you all. Thank you, sir.